Right, well okay, we're back at it again. I've already gone to pick up my sister, and now we are just, you can see the truck's a little bit cleared off better. I'm just going to bring the camera out and show you exactly what the hell happened here. If you look up, there is a whole bunch of snow on the top of the roof. And just to give you an idea of what that looks like, in any minute that could all just fall on me. Hey, look at this, this is crazy. I don't know if you guys can get an idea of this, but this is my sister's car. And this is what it looks like. My mother's car. Yeah? I mean, it's pretty insane. Put my glove on here to give you an idea of where the actual car is located here. So that is where the car is located. I don't know if you can see that, but that's exactly how much snow is on the car. Anyway, so we're gonna go for a little walk here. Kind of feels a little strange. Okay. There's old Big Blue. And there's the house. You can see all the wonderful snow on the top of the roof there. Like super duper ultra overhang. I don't know if this camera's doing it any justice, but my god, it is frigging mounted up there. Here's the sidewalks. There's our next door neighbor Doug shoveling away. And there's the sidewalk there. Yeah, I'm gonna send all my Vegas friends the video so they can see what they're missing. Because I know all you guys in Vegas and in San Diego would love to see this right now and be in this beautiful winter wonderland for Christmas time. Yes. Anyway, there's my backyard. I just cleared that a little bit there because it's nearly impossible to get over. Right.